Hey guys, I am making another smoothie. So this time I'm putting cilantro, which is done here, people. Then we've got parsley. I think I've shown you this before. You normally watch some of my videos. My god, it does not want to focus. Amaranth leaves. Yeah, I guess that's it. That's all we are putting. And then we have 2 bananas. We've put some ginger. Yes, ginger. Put as much as you want. Some soaked dates. That's it. And the water. That's all I'm making. I'll just put all of them in here and blend. Then it's going to be ta-ra! Okay, now I've put all that and I've put some water. Let's see. Yeah, that's not enough water for me. I need more water than that. So I'll just add more water and blend. No measurements, just if you find it too bitter, add more dates or bananas. If you find it too sweet, add more water or more greens. That's it. Let me blend and show you. There is the smoothie. It gets very foamy. You know, you guys are taking your garlic, your ginger, like me. I put ginger nowadays every day in my smoothie. Oh, I'm doing that. I'm trying to remove the bubbles. But anyway, so that's the smoothie, guys. Maybe I can show you when I'm drinking it. That's how it looks. Oh my goodness. Hi guys, it's been a while. Ooh, it is ginger here. I put too many. That's really nice. So make yours, be healthy, and take control over your health. Stop letting other people tell you what to eat, what to put into your bodies. Take care of your own health. Bye guys, bye.